and welcome to Marathi Taste. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite recipes in the world, Indian butter chicken. And this recipe is really easy to make. You just have to follow all the steps that I take in my video, and especially get the sauce through the sieve. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but you will see the tool in my video. But you have to get the sauce through it like 2 or 3 times. 3 times is even better, because the more soft and silkier your sauce is, the better your butter chicken. So I hope you like this recipe, and let's start. That was it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. I'm sure you will love this recipe, because it's almost impossible to dislike butter chicken. And let me know if you tried this recipe out and what you think of it, and if it was as good as I just told you. I'm almost certain it will. So leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Bye! See you next time!